Hi there, a very, very warm welcome to yet another episode of Rapid Fire with me, Nitika Duggal. And today, the chapter that awaits is chemical bonding, the favorite chapter of you, me, all the chemistry enthusiasts. तो आज जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो होने वाले हैं 10 क्वेश्चंस आर वेटिंग फॉर यू. मुझे ज़रूर एंड में बता दीजिएगा कितने सवाल आपने सही करे, कितने सवाल गलत करे, जो गलत करे वो कौन कौन से गलत थे. ओके, सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग कि अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं मुझे आप ज़रूर बताएंगे कि हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस यू हैव डन राइट. All the questions are super important and have been cherry picked, so make sure you attempt all. And rules आपको पता ही है रैपिड फायर के, है ना? You have to be as quick as possible, number one. Number two, you have to pause the video and solve the question. You're not supposed to listen to the answer until and unless you've done it on your own. पहले खुद करना है. कोई नहीं, आप अपने आप के पुलिस हैं. Please do your own policing. You're not supposed to cheat here. Do not see the answers till the time you have done it. अगर नहीं किया तो account it as okay, not done. But do it very truthfully. Let me know in the comments how many you've done right. Cool? Let's get started. Question number one waiting for you on your screens now. From which molecular orbital electron is removed to form CO plus ion from CO? So, आपको CO plus बनाना है CO से. कैसे करें? I'm sure if you know the electronic configuration, you could have done it by now. So if you know this is the electronic configuration, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma 2z2, then you have sigma 2pz2. So then pi 2px2, pi 2py2, sigma star 2s2. So if you see bond order भी हमको ऐसे सवालों का पूछा जा सकता है. So bonding molecular orbitals के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स माइनस एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल के इलेक्ट्रॉन डिवाइडेड बाय 2. तो अगर CO है तो यू कैन सी दैट 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 माइनस ये हो गए एंटी बॉन्डिंग वाला, एंटी बॉन्डिंग राइट. तो माइनस 4/2, तो 6/2 3. So for CO it would have been 3, but for CO plus remember this is the highest bond order that we've seen so far, 3.5. कैसे आ रहा है अब आप देख लीजिए. 10 माइनस नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल कितने हो गए? 2 + 1 3, 3/2. So basically 7/2, 3.5, the highest that you know. So कहाँ से जा रहा है? The होमो, ऐसा भी सवाल आ सकता है विच इज़ द होमो फॉर CO. वैसे आपको एक बात बता दूं मैं ऑन द साइड नोट दैट बंदा था एक स्लेटर नाम का जिसने मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल डायग्राम CO का थोड़ा अलग बताया है बिकॉज इट इज़ अ हेटेरोएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल विद क्वाइट अप्रिशिएबल डिफरेंस इन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन, जिसकी वजह से द मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल डायग्राम इज लिटिल डिफरेंट, जहाँ पे नॉन बॉन्डेड मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल्स भी आप देखेंगे. बट वी गोइंग टू go by this particular electronic configuration and do our answers. So HOMO, the highest occupied molecular orbital is what? Your sigma star 2s. So वहीं से जाएगा इलेक्ट्रॉन. D हो गया आंसर. Next question. The pair of species with the same bond order is. So if you know the trick, the question can be done like this. And if you've not seen my session, I'll put it in the description. I'll please tag it also with the video. Make sure you watch that session based on the bond order. This is going to help you out here. Atomic structure में हमने किया था bond order, नहीं chemical bonding में किया था हमने bond order निकालने का तरीका, the shortcut. So I'm doing it here. Writing counting till 20. Then how do we write? 0.51, 0.50, 0.51, 0.50. Then we keep increasing by 0.5, 0.51, 1.52, 2.53. We know for 14, जैसे नाइट्रोजन के अंदर the bond order is 3. Then we keep decreasing till we reach 0. So you can check when we are talking about N2, द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज 3. अगर CO होता तो बॉन्ड ऑर्डर 3 होता, क्योंकि 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम है. राइट नाउ व्हाट यू हैव इज CO प्लस. दैट मीन्स 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minus 1, 13 electron system. But it's an exception. 3.5 is the bond order, the highest that you know so far. N2 का 3 होता है, O2 का 2 होता है. B cannot be your answer. D, if we talk about O2 plus, check. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 का 2.5 होता है. NO plus, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 1, 14. 3 होता है. So different, but O2 2 minus, you can see we have 16 plus 2, 18. 18 का bond order 1 है. B2 10 electrons, again bond order 1 है. So please see the right answer to this question is option C. Next one. Okay, this one is pretty simple. It's a do or die question. You know it or you do not know it. If you know the structure of copper sulfate dot 5H2O, point to be noted, my lord, we have water of crystallization here. So it's asking the kind of bonds which are present in copper sulfate hydrated. We can also write it instead of copper sulfate dot 5H2O, hydrated copper sulfate or blue copper sulfate, which would signify that there is water of crystallization. अब ये water of crystallization कैसा दिखता है, ये आपको पता है तो आंसर तुरंत हो जाएगा. Look at this. So what do you see? You see there are coordinate bonds also. Check it out. There is lone pair here, the copper is here, empty d orbitals are there, so of course it can accept. So there is a coordinate bond. What else? Of course पानी है, सल्फेट है, तो कोवलेंट बॉन्डिंग तो है ही. And there is one water molecule outside like this which is involved in hydrogen bonding, right? अगर आप देखें, 4 water molecules are acting like ligands which are donating the lone pair to the copper. Coordinate bond 4 हैं. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड में एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इन्वॉल्व है, तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग भी इन्वॉल्व है. सो कोवलेंट, कोऑर्डिनेट एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. प्लीज सी द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी. And don't assume that in my questions, if you keep marking C as your answer, you would be like rock and rolling and getting good marks. No, nothing like that, okay? I know I like saying this. Takiya kalam. Please see the right answer to this question is option C. But doesn't mean all the answers are going to be C. Next one. Which of the pairs does not have the same shape? Shape. Remember, when we are talking about shape, we do not look at lone pair. Whereas, when we talk about the geometries, the lone pair has to be considered. So, NH4 plus and CH4. Of course, tetrahedral shape. H3O plus, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 minus 1. So, there is going to be one lone pair, 3 hydrogens, pyramidal shape like this. Whereas NH3, of course, is pyramidal shape like this. Again, same shapes. I3 minus, it's going to be linear. 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2, 5. So I3 minus is like this. 8, 9, 10. 10 by 2 again, XC. F2, linear shape like this. PF5. 5 plus 5, 10 by 2, again 5. So PF5, TBP, trigonal bipyramidal. Whereas BRF5, when we are talking about bromine, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 by 2 is 6. But we have side atoms, how many? 5. So bromine in the center. 5 fluorines are like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 is on the top. So if you see the shape is what? Square pyramidal. Not square bipyramidal. One pyramid you see. So square pyramidal. Different shapes. One is trigonal bipyramidal. One is square pyramidal. So D becomes the answer for this question. Get set, go. 5th question on your screens. Now, which one has the least bond angle? Least bond angle you have to find out. Pretty simple. Apply the knowledge of lone pair repulsion, lone pair bond pair repulsion, bond pair repulsion. You know, lone pair repulsions are maximum. So what is going to be the impact? So sure, Clue to smart is more than enough, and you're very, very smart. I know, Gen Z is very smart. I so envy you guys. So lone pair, bond pair repulsion is going to be here. So ideal angle should have been 109 degree 29 minutes. But here, because there's a lone pair, bond pair repulsion, the angle is going to decrease. And we know that it goes very close to 107 degrees, right? BF2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So sp hybridization, you know it is going to be 180 degree. Highest bond angle पूछा होता तो B हो जाता. Acha, water, OH2. Look at this. We have two lone pairs now. Two lone pairs. That means there will be lone pair repulsion is going to be dominating, which is going to decrease this angle more than the decrease that you see here in ammonia. So 104 degree angle hota hai water mein, ye hame pata hai. So C ho jayega answer. Methane is the ideal one, having the ideal tetrahedral angle of 109 degree 29 minutes. So C ho gaya answer. Please see, the right answer to this question is option C. Ready for the next one? Better be. Here comes the next one. Arrange the following species in the increasing order of their bond angles: NF3, NCl3, NBr3, and Ni3. The side atoms, when they are bulky. The central atom, when it is second period. Knock knock, who is it? Non-bonded electron pair repulsion it is. So higher would be the size, the bulkiness. If it is increased, the angle is going to be more. Remember, we have done this in my session. If you have not seen the session, make sure you do it. I'll post it again in the chat, in the comments also, so that you can access that session. Okay? So Ni3 minus Ni3 का सबसे ज़्यादा, फिर NBr3, NCl3 and NF3. A becomes the answer. We've also talked about why NCl3 doesn't have a possibility of back bonding. दो क्लोरीन के पास empty d orbital है, नाइट्रोजन के पास लोन पेयर है, बट बैक बॉन्डिंग नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट एप्रिशिएबल डिफरेंस इन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, और बैक बॉन्डिंग होने के लिए ये कंडीशन मीट होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन. करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग बॉन्ड एंगल इन द फॉलोइंग ट्राइटॉमिक स्पीशीज. तो आप देख लीजिए, NO2 प्लस है, NO2 माइनस है. NO2 का आता पता नहीं क्योंकि एक ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पीशीज है, और ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पीशीज के बारे में हमें हाइब्रिडाइजेशन VBD से कुछ नहीं पता चलता, रिमेंबर. बट कोई बात नहीं, इतना पता चलता है कि इट इज समवेयर गोइंग टू बी बिटवीन NO2 माइनस एंड NO2 प्लस. इतना पता चल गया. इनफैक्ट ये भी पता चल गया आपको कि हाईएस्ट बॉन्ड एंगल अपने केमिस्ट्री में हो सकता है 180 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री. करेक्ट. तो वो किसका होगा? NO2 प्लस. देखिए 5 प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा. 5 माइनस 1/2, 4/2 is 2. तो NO2 plus is going to be linear in shape, right? So 180 degree. तो सबसे ज़्यादा NO2 plus होगा. आंसर हो गया. Please see, the right answer is option C. आंसर हो गया है. But do you understand the NO2 minus is going to be bent in shape. 5 plus 1/2, 6/2, 3. तो लोन पेयर होगा और बेंट शेप आ जाएगा, V शेप आ जाएगा, right? So angle would be, you know, a little less maybe than 120 degree. Ideal angle of, you know, this sp2, the trigonal planar, is 120 degree, but because there's a lone pair now, so 120 degree से कम हो जाएगा, right? But any which ways, NO2 is going to be between NO2 plus and NO2 minus. That we know. So C becomes answer. हमने तो U निकाल ही लिया था वैसे भी. I hope this is #HDCC. Next one, question number 8. Direct. This is the true essence of rapid fire. This question fulfills the need of rapid fire here because you can do it just like that. Iron is harder than sodium because iron atoms are smaller. Iron atoms are more closely packed. Metallic bonds are stronger in sodium. Metallic bonds are stronger in iron. Had metallic bonds been stronger in sodium, sodium should have been hard, no? But you can cut it with a knife, you know that. So D becomes the answer to this question. Metallic bonds are stronger in iron. Question number 9. Again, this is a direct question. You know it or you do not know it. There is no midway. Electrical conductance of metal increases with temperature. Electrical conductance of semiconductors increases with temperature. Semiconductor metals. Then we have electrical conductance of metals decreases on heating. Both B and C. So the moment you see B, do not be tempted by B because C is saying ulta of what is written in A. So either of A or C has to be correct, right? So electrical conductance of metals decreases on heating is absolutely right because the resistance increases, if you remember, with heating. This you do in physics also, right? So C is also correct, B is also correct. So please see, D becomes the right answer for this question. Cool. Last question is waiting for you. In which of the following species the central atom has a type of hybridization which is not the same as that present in other three? So in such kind of questions, you have to go about finding out the hybridization of all the central atoms given in all the options. Let's get started. You do it on your own, okay? Pause the video. Correct? SbCl3 kind of looks weird. Don't you feel? Antimony, Nana Patekar, Asani, Sab Bindas, right? So if you know how to remember group 15, antimony you will take same as how you take nitrogen. So 5 will be the valence electrons. Chlorine are 3 plus 1 by 2 because there's an anion here. So do you see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? 9 by 2 is kind of like weird, right? You have something like 4.5. But that's of course not 5. You're not supposed to round it off like that. So C becomes the answer. It is having hybridization very different from the other three. So C becomes the answer for this question. Now, before you tell me which ones you have done wrong and how many you've done right, there's a bonus question. So tell me out of 11 questions, how many you're doing right, okay? The incorrect statement among the following is: hybridization is intermixing of orbitals of nearly equal energies. Hybrid orbitals are identical in all respect. Hybrid orbitals can only form pi bonds. What? Shape of the molecule depends upon the type of hybridization. That's true. So I think this is a question that you can do by the mere way I have I've read the options. The mentalist way. The mentalist way talks about this only, that the right answer is hidden on your face or in your expressions. So of course, hybrid orbitals can only form pi bond. That's not true. Only the sigma bond. So C, please see, the right answer is option C. So do let me know in the comments how many you've done right. Now, this is me, Nitika Duggal, signing off. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.